Ladies and gentlemen, the future of RGB is here, and it's from Corsair. This is two 430mm LED strips with 49 individual addressable LEDs in each strip. Now, unlike the older LED strips, these are diffused, so they completely remove the idea of an LED hotspot. Now, like magic, these connect via magnetic strips, not double-sided tape strips. So if you install them into your PC, you don't have to worry about the fact that these strips might leave residues or are hard to work with. You literally just stick them onto your PC and they stay there. Nice, right? Now, what makes them special? What makes them worth the $80 price tag? Well, it's called the iCUE link system. It's basically designed to remove the headache of trying to cable manage 60 cables when adding RGB to build displays. So this addresses it by daisy chaining up to 24 devices using only one single cable. It lets you plug in fans, AIOs, LED strips, custom water cooling blocks. I mean, imagine this. It just goes from the little box to your radiator, fans, LED strips. That's it. There's no back, forth. It's a dream. The best part is you also don't need RGB or fan headers to run it off of, because it runs off of a USB 2 cable and an 8-pin PCIe power cable. Now, if you want the LED strips and you just can't be bothered by the whole link hub system, you can also just directly connect your LED strips to the motherboard through your RGB headers and control them with your motherboard software. Now, if you're anything like me, cable management is the pinnacle of PC building. If you want your PC to look nice at the back, you want to have a hub like this, especially if your motherboard doesn't have all of the ports that you need. Now, honestly, in my opinion, is these strips on their own enough? Probably not. What I'd really recommend is going for the whole system. There's a bunch of Corsair products that all link in together, making the system work so much better, look so much better, and overall just improves quality of PC building life. Now, yes, you'd think that individually controlled LEDs and the diffuser, sure, but is it really worth the price? Have you ever bought a cheap LED strip and switched the thing on, and 2 days later, it's broken? The cheaper you go with the LED strip, the worse the quality gets. It really is like that. I mean, in a lot of these cheaper LED strips, the whites aren't even white. They're like yellowy or bluey, and the colors aren't popping like very red or very orange. And these ones are. These ones look incredible. And I'd pay for that any day of the week. I also pay for the cable management. The luxury of not having a billion cables in my system. I'm obsessed with making sure that there is no cable to be seen, and every cable that can be seen must have a very good purpose. And I'm pretty certain if you're watching this video right now, you're kind of the same. So I hope you enjoy it. If you buy one of them, let me know in the comments down below. I'll leave some links in the description. This was Stefan with a very short and very precise video on why you should buy an iCUE link system from Corsair or buy some 430mm LED strips. Well, I got them. I like them. I'm pretty certain you like them too.